All right, guys, you seen the title and the thumbnail, and we got more easy appetizers. I guess it's just that season for appetizers, and we got to get on it. I'm gonna show you guys how to make these cheesy chicken fritters. Man, definitely delicious. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, let's do a quick rundown of today's recipe. Back here, we have our ground chicken. Now, I didn't buy prepared ground chicken. What I did was I took some chicken breast and I chopped it up myself. I tend to like it this way better instead of ground chicken. For some reason, I just like the texture better. Back here we have our breadcrumbs, cheddar cheese, green onions, garlic powder, black pepper, paprika, seasoned salt, and we have some eggs there. So that's all you need. Let's get to it. All right, guys, this too is a very simple and easy recipe. We're gonna take all our ingredients and we're just gonna combine them right here in this bowl with our ground chicken. So we're gonna start off by adding our breadcrumbs, our garlic powder, black pepper, probably should have added the seasoning first, paprika, seasoned salt, green onions, our egg, and our cheese. Let's see if we can get that baby mixed up in this bowl. It was kind of small, but we're gonna make it happen. So we're just gonna get all this mixed up. All right, guys, looks like we got that baby mixed up. Let's continue. All right, so now we're gonna start preparing our chicken fritters. So you wanna take about 2 to 3 tablespoons of your mixture for one patty. So this right here is 1 tablespoon here. Take another tablespoon. And let me see what this is gonna look like in terms of patties. Now I think I'm gonna do 3 tablespoons. I can just tell the way that looks. I'm a little bit bigger than that. Let's take a look at this. Set this baby right there. Let's do one more. All right, sit that there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of them. Once I'm finished, we're gonna come back, go ahead and start preheating your oil up to 350 degrees. So once you're done, we can go ahead and drop these babies in our grease, all right? All right, so we formed all our chicken fritters. I still have more mixture left, but I'm just gonna go with 10. I don't need to make all these fritters at the moment, but this is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and move over to our stove so we get these babies baptized in this hot grease, all right? All right, so now we're at our stove. We're bringing our oil up to temperature. That baby is hot and good to go. We're gonna start dropping our chicken fritters in our grease. And you wanna cook these in batches. I'll probably cook mine 2 at a time. I may get 3 in there. And we want these babies to cook about 7 to 8 minutes. All right, so it looks like our chicken fritters are good. And take a look at that. Ooh, man. So I'm gonna put them over here on a rack and we're gonna go in with the remaining fritters until we've cooked all of them, all right? All right, guys, so we're finishing up our last batch. Take a look at what we got here. Had to get those babies crispy. That's how we want our chicken, no matter how we're cooking it. We always want it crispy, all right? So we're gonna move over to our cutting board. Take a look at what we got. All right, guys, this is what we have. Take a look at our chicken fritters. That's pretty much it. We're gonna go ahead and get these babies plated up so we can jump into quality control. And there you have it, guys. Cheesy chicken fritters. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and jump into quality control so we can do a quick taste test. All right, so it's quality control time. We're about to bring these groceries. Oh man, look at them groceries to the front of the congregation, man. I'm just gonna take one off the top because it had my name on it. These little babies are crispy. I'm gonna bring this up to the camera so you guys can see when I break this baby open. Ooh-wee. Oh man. Oh man. I can tell you right now, this baby can definitely use some dip. Or maybe just some hot sauce. You know what I'm saying? But it's good. Delicious. And I love the crunchiness. So guys, definitely one of those get together dishes. So until then guys, remember, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. I'm just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace. Man.